Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a plant-based recipe video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up down below and don't forget to comment also because all of these things help my channel grow. Today I'm making frozen chocolate banana bites. This is a really healthy and simple recipe to make. It only has 2 ingredients, bananas and chocolate, but you can also add a sweetener if you prefer. I normally like to use these organic cacao chips from Pasha because they're unsweetened and the only ingredient is cacao. You can find them at health food stores or they're often also available on Amazon. I'll put the link below if I could find them on Amazon. We really like the dark chocolate chips that are just sweetened by the bananas, but if you want to use extra sweetener with these chips, I would suggest date syrup. The recipe could not be simpler to make. Just slice up a couple of bananas, or more if desired, and then melt the chocolate. You can just melt the chocolate in the microwave. Chocolate does not always melt perfectly in the microwave and can easily burn and thicken, so it's best to put the chocolate on for 30 seconds or 1 minute and then add 15-second increments after that until it's melted. If you're making these treats as a gift or for guests and want the treats to look as polished as possible, I would suggest using the double boiler method to melt chocolate because you'll get a much more velvety result that will be much easier to work with. We basically devour the banana bites as soon as they're made, so we're not too precious about making them look good. Then all you have to do is cover the banana slices in melted chocolate, either by dipping them in or spooning chocolate over them. Then you can put the chocolate-covered banana slices on a parchment paper-lined baking tray, or on a silicone tray or some other kind of non-stick surface. Then just pop them in the freezer and they're ready to eat as soon as the chocolate is hardened. Wait a little bit longer for the banana to freeze if you want it to be more like an ice cream treat. That's how we like it. I hope you guys really like this recipe video. There's going to be lots more to come. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.